Hello everybody. Welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. It question. It looks like very simple because it is so only. Let me see 1, 2, 3 square root 4 simple integration. Most people will think it is very simple integration, but actually after evaluate this integration, you find that it is not as you think, as simple as you think, because it's very difficult. Okay, when you substitute other format, I think we do not have standard result, standard formula to finish this task. At first, I try to change this the format of this integration sign. I'm here. Change this one plus 1 over x dx, and then put u equal to 1 plus 1 over x square root. Let me see. Yeah, put this one, and then du equal to 2 square root 1 plus 1 over x, negative 1 over x squared dx. Okay, then I try to change this format, but before change this format, I have to change also this form. And now both denominator and numerator of this one divided by this one. Then for the numerator it becomes this one, and denominator is x plus 1 over x, and the numerator is 1 plus 1 over x square root, then dx. These two terms can be formed the basic of the format of this one, and change the terms back to its position. Okay, and now I have to change these two terms to u, because next step I move them to the to the left hand side. Okay, and now I'm here to u squared equal to 1 plus 1 over x, and then next term u squared minus 1, and reciprocal it, that is x equal to 1 over. Okay, negative 2 over u squared plus minus 1 all square, and then u squared du. That is the left hand side of this format. Change all the things to u, and here I only copy. Therefore, this one is equal to this one. Now the format become crazy, because you can see that it's not simple as you think. It's not simple as you think. Okay, by next step I u square. Okay, factorize the denominator here. And then by I have used partial fraction law. By the partial fraction law 3. I think people will not know what is the partial fraction law 3. Law 3 means that if the denominator has roots with multiplication greater than or equal to 1, that is here equal to 2, then for this one can be factorized as u minus 1 plus u minus 1 all square. That's AB. And similarly for this one, u plus 1 all square, also by the law 3, it is c over u plus 1 and plus d over u plus 1 all square du. The next step, we have to calculate the result of A, B, C, but I think I better to skip this one. Here, I finally found the roots here. of ABC. A is equal to 1 over 4. B is equal to 1 over 4. C is equal to negative 1 over 4. D is equal to positive 1 over 4. Okay. When I calculate the value of this one, I found it is crazy because we have to treat four variable and multiply, expand the polynomial of degree 3. Of course, you can put value, but it is very time consuming steps. Therefore, I skip this step here. And now integrate. The first one is negative 1 over 2 natural log u minus 1. The second is positive 1 over 2 u minus 1. I think put the 1 over 2 in the numerator. It look better. And the third term is equal to 1 over 2 natural log u plus 1. The fourth term is positive 1 over 2 over u plus 1 plus constant. Now I have to change back to the original format. U is square root 1 plus 1 over x. Square root 1 plus 1 over x. It looks very crazy. Oh, sorry. I make mistake here. Now I combine these two together. Combine this one and this one together. Then square root natural log. The denominator is square root 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. The numerator is square root 1 plus 1 over x minus 1. And for this one, I multiply both hand side by square root x. Okay, I copy. Yeah. Times both square denominator and numerator. Square root. And also do the same process in the last terms. This one I also multiply both hand side by square root of x. Now it become PT. The result is PT actually. And the denominator is square root x plus 1 minus plus square root x. The numerator is square root x plus 1 minus square root x. And for this one, it is 2 times square root x. Square root x plus 1 minus square root x. The last one is this one. Okay. It is that the format is relatively pretty, but you cannot. I think most people, if you are first time to load this first time load this question. You cannot expect this is a very crazy. It's a crazy question because the answer tell you how it's crazy. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this funny maths. And if you found Dr.K.Liu Math channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.